welcome to Shisha Creative. As usual, we are out and we are ready to explore. It's actually so windy here and there is like sand going inside the mouth. I can just feel it. So it's like that. Wow, this is like really a different experience, but the whole place is like that. And today we are going to explore more of the beach side and food. So this was my first time experience in Dubai, so it took some time for me to actually realize that it was a sandstorm. So you can see there is a sandstorm and it looks normal over here. Actually this comes like quite often and it is quite normal over here. So first I was really scared, but right now after talking to all the people, but this is scary. I mean, I've seen like mist, fog, but this is like sand all over the place. Yeah, it's a different experience. So this happens whenever there is a weather change in this country, and it looks like everyone is doing their normal job as usual, unless the storm is really severe. So the storm lasts for like 20 minutes, but the day that I went, it lasted for about 1 hour. So we couldn't go anywhere. So I'm just going to wait and start exploring from tomorrow. Subscribe to join our fam. Keep watching for more. Bye bye.